As economies around the world continue to develop, daily electricity consumption is also continually increasing. The use of more renewable energy sources to reach carbon neutrality goals has caused an increase in transmission distances of electricity, as well as operation and patrol demands, and safety hazards are growing as well. Electrical substations are often far away from the urban areas they serve and are often unattended. When operations and maintenance centers find equipment patrol, switching operations, and construction management tasks are needed. They can assign staff to various sites to complete O&M requirements. In this case, the relatively passive information delivery and response chain, which relies mostly on offline and on-site manual operations, weakens the efficiency and quality of O&M and causes operational safety hazards, resulting in difficulties adapting to new trends in power grid development. The vigorous development in IoT and other technologies is causing the operations and maintenance of power production to make changes as well. The challenge facing all O&M personnel now is learning how to best use these new technologies to make this transition from traditional to intelligent operations. Through active exploration and cooperation with power grid companies, Hikvision has launched an intelligent O&M management solution for substations production. Relying on IoT, deep learning, image recognition, AR, and other advanced technologies, Hikvision's solution achieves in-depth integration of intelligent applications for substation O&M. Through AR visualization and dashboards designed specifically for substations, daily operations can be centrally managed, greatly reducing the center-to-substation distance. Intelligent analysis equipment performs video analysis on switching results, which serves as a criterion for judgment. In the past, a substation staff has been required to regularly go to the site to perform equipment patrols, with the frequency of visits and equipment temperature measurements increasing during peak power consumption times, usually in summer and winter. Nowadays, through front-end intelligent sensing equipment, routine patrols can be performed remotely from the O&M centers, vastly improving efficiency. The online thermal imaging temperature measurement system can trigger alarms automatically when temperatures exceed the user-defined limits, enabling timely identification of problems. Temperature data stored by the system is also helpful for short and long-term analysis and problem tracing. License plate recognition cameras and facial recognition-based access control provide security and quick access for maintenance personnel at substation entrances. Once authorized personnel arrive on site and confirm the correct safety-related measures are in place, they can begin their work. With video analysis at its core, the system detects incidents including failure to wear safety helmets and protective clothing on site, crossing safety areas, and more. This ensures their operational safety by providing real-time reminders. Hikvision Intelligent Management Solution for Substations Production cuts management distances, improves business efficiency, standardizes operational behaviors, and eliminates safety hazards, helping power grids operate safely and with improved quality and efficiency.